Hi, my name is Prune and I would love to share a wonderful exercise that bridges your physical, your energetic into your consciousness. And it's a wonderful way to release stress and embrace peace. You may be someone who really is working with a lot of stress in your life, and you can easily identify that. Maybe you know that you live mostly on adrenaline, and that fight, flight, and freeze is a very big operative in your system. You may be someone who actually doesn't work in that way, but you know you're not accessing your biggest enjoyment in life, your biggest connection with life, that there's a low-lying stress in your system that's simply preventing that. Either way, this is a great exercise to help transcend those very real physical and energetic limitations to really embracing your peace. So let's do it. The exercise mostly is going to be you having your chin in your hands. Now, if you can put your elbows together and your wrists together, fabulous. If you can't because of your physiology, no problem. So let's tuck in here. And you can lay your hands along the side of your face with your fingers up towards your temples. And from here, just relax. You can rest your arms against your chest or your body, however it falls, and you can just settle into this position. It's beautiful for our face to feel supported. And let's take some conscious breaths here. You're inviting fresh energy into your body, fresh oxygen into your body. And inviting the release of stress from your body, your mind, and your life. Breathing in that fresh energy and breathing out tension. Let's take one more full breath here. Now, obviously, you can stay there for as long as you need. I'm sure this feels great to you. When you're ready, you can simply move your hands up over the hairline, round the back of the head, and come back to the chin again. And you can either take another breath here or move straight on. You work out what feels best to your body. Let's take one more breath. Consciously releasing the tension from your body, your mind, and your life. And let's cross your hands over and just lay them on that place where your chest and your throat meet. And you can just drop your head here. This is a beautiful time to allow the head to bow in wisdom to the heart. This helps bring fresh energy into the body, connecting the heart field into the mind field. And take a moment to visualize what peace looks like for you. How does it feel? What thoughts do you have when you think about being peaceful? How do you invite peace into your day today? And when you're ready, you can release your arms and continue your day with that peace really imbued in your system and the ever-increasing ability to release those stresses. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.